Okay, in this video I'm going to show how to install the rollout or the patch for Rockwell software. For example, here we have a HMI client server that we install some software, and we're going to install the patches from October 2022. What we need to do is open your folder when you have the patch that you previously downloaded from Rockwell, and go down and run the setup as administrator. And now we wait that this application load. This path need to be installed in every single computer that is part of your factory tool directory. Um, the idea of these patches is fix issues with different software. Now was running and identify some software that we have here from Rockwell that they are going to do some updates. We click install. When this happens, sometimes stop some procedure, some process or services during this process. For that reason, it's better to schedule a shutdown if you're going to do it in a factory or in a live server. Okay, it's easy. They finish installing what they need, identify the potential issues, and it's running some scripts that is going to fix those issues. Keep in mind, I said before, when you run a patch or when you execute a patch, you need to install the same patch in all the computer or server related with your solution. I mean, attached to that factory tool directory server. Okay. This continue doing what it needs to do. Let me close this. Important when you run this software, you need to close all the software that are running. For example, don't do this if you have a HMI client running here. In this case, that I'm doing this in a remote server, I verify first that nobody is using the server, and the only client or user doing remote desktop to this server. If you have the possibility to run this in front of the computer, not by remote desktop, is better, but it's not, you can do it. Okay, we're still waiting. Okay. Okay, here the system is doing backups of the factory tool directory information. Okay, it's close to finish. And now you need to restart the computer, and that's it. The computer is going to restart, and you need to verify that everything is working correctly.